at 8 p.m.
You're watching India Today with me, Nabila Jamal. That's our top focus. Former Cabinet Minister Babul Supriyo says alvida to politics. What's the big reason here? I'm going to take you through a big churn here in Bengal BJP as its MP Babul Supriyo announces his decision to quit politics. Babul posted his farewell message on Facebook where he announced his decision. In fact, the MP first posted, and I quote, "Alvida, I'm not going to join any other party, and confirming that nobody has called me. I am a team player and have been only with one party, BJP." But later on, Babul Supriyo has edited this part of loyalty with the BJP in his Facebook post. He's changed the paragraph where he wrote that he is not going to TMC, Congress or the CPM. In fact, the change in the post has now fueled speculations that he could be joining another party. Babul has admitted to differences with the BJP before Bengal elections, and while he claims that he accepts some blame for it, others must also share the blame. He's also said him losing his ministerial portfolio in the recent Modi cabinet reshuffle was also a contributing factor to this decision of him quitting politics. The two-time member of the parliament was among the 12 ministers who had dropped from the Modi cabinet on 7th of July. In fact, Babul's fate was likely sealed when he lost to the Trinamool Congress's Arup Biswas in April-May West Bengal Assembly elections. Now, the Asansol MP is, in his Facebook post, has also said that it's not possible for him to stay in politics and do social work simultaneously, and that he wants to concentrate on the latter. He wants to focus on his social work and not necessary that he should continue with politics if he has to do his social work, and therefore he puts out very clearly that he quits. I'm going to cut across to Suryagni joining us more details on that. Suryagni, here it appears initially that Babul Supriyo, as he spoke on his social media post, he put out his post saying that he wants to concentrate on social service, etc. But now there are several other reasons that are coming to fore, including differences within other BJP leaders. Also, the fact that he was dropped from the cabinet in the recent reshuffle could be a huge contributing factor for his disappointment and him stepping down. Has it so far been that any of the senior BJP leaders have reached out to Babul Supriyo to pacify him?
Well, as of now, all the BJP senior leaders of West Bengal that we spoke to are of the opinion that they are not aware of this particular decision of Babul Supriyo. Now, we spoke to Soumitra Khan, we spoke to Dilip Ghosh. Even Dilip Ghosh commented that he is not aware. Soumitra Khan, MP, he claimed that he is not aware of what Babul has written on the post. Differences, yes, there have been multiple reports of differences between Dilip Ghosh and Babul Supriyo for a long time right now. But, another very important aspect of this Facebook post of Babul Supriyo is that he has edited his post in which he has mentioned that he has also, resigned from the MP-ship. Now, and also he has written earlier, he had written that he's not going into either the Trinamool, the CPM or the Congress, and the only two parties that he belongs to is one, the Football Club Mohun Bagan, the other one is the BJP. He re-edited that part, and that part is not present anymore. So that itself
now,
has,
of course, raising a lot of speculations whether Babul Supriyo will be jumping ship. Is he going to be joining? A natural choice would be the TMC within his state, if not the Congress or the CPM. Here, of course, Babul Supriyo puts out a very strongly worded, emotional message on social media saying that he wants to quit politics. Hasn't really written anything about differences, but this is what has cropped up a lot on local media as well, where he is claimed to have said that he has had differences with some of the leaders. He takes part of the blame. The others must also take that blame. Do stay with us, Suryagni. Let me cut across to Priyanka Tibrewal, BJP spokesperson, joining us. We also have Biswajit Deb, TMC spokesperson. Let me start with Priyanka. Priyanka, go ahead. Babul Supriyo, the face for the BJP in West Bengal. He beg your pardon, the MP from Asansol. He puts out a very emotional message and now says that he's going to resign. Many talks and speculations that he's had a fallout with several of the BJP leaders there, possibly locally, even with the High Command. He's been upset for being dropped out of the cabinet, and now he makes a decision, also deletes that post where he says he's not going to join any other party.
Well, very good evening, Nabila.
See, there can be difference of opinion. There can be, that sometimes it's difficult to accept certain things in your life. But then the decision which he has taken is quite imperative for him, and one should do what he likes to do. I have been knowing him since my childhood, and I have always seen that he's been very vociferous about the decisions which he has taken in his life, whether it was to go to Bombay or whether it was to come to politics. So I personally respect whatever decision he has taken, and see, there is no denial about his relentless efforts, what he did for West Bengal and especially Asansol. See, it wasn't easy to win a seat like Asansol for the second time with so much of hindrance and impediments coming his way. But even then, he fought and he relentlessly continued working for BJP, and still whatever is deleted, what is not deleted, I will not comment on that. But yes, as I personally know him, I know him that what place he holds for BJP in his heart, and it is not only about politics always. So it is his individual decision, and we all respect that.
Priyanka, but it's very surprising that none of the senior leaders have reached out to him to pacify him. Has that happened? Is there an attempt by the BJP to bring him back to the fold?
See, I just got to know, in fact, yesterday night I have spoken to him, and I didn't get to know anything from him.
And he was firm on that decision last night?
No, that's what I'm telling you. I didn't get to speak regarding this topic. He didn't tell me anything yesterday night. But yes, today in the evening when I have seen all this, I haven't got a chance to speak to him, which I will be doing. And of course, see, who has spoken to him and who has not spoken to him, I hardly know anything about that now.
Did you see it coming?
Well, frankly speaking, see, I will tell you, see, we all are humans and it's human nature. So, yes, when this reshuffle happened, so he was a little upset. There is no doubt about that. But apart from that, I will also say that it is not just him who has been reshuffled, or like there are big names, ministers like Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, Piyush Goyal ji. So see, BJP, there is an ethos, there is importance in BJP, not only to the people who are on the camera, like it happens in the movies. So the backstage people are equally important. That is what we call our Sangathan. So the people who are working off stage are equally important.
Besides, the BJP has honored his efforts and his credibility. The High Command has given him a position within the cabinet. It's not that he wasn't given a chance.
Of course.
But for him to be really sour about this to an extent of quitting politics entirely, he's a sitting MP. That's what leaves us shocked. But Priyanka, do stay with us. Let me cut across to Biswajit Deb. Biswajit, very surprising. Babul Supriyo, who sings praises of the BJP, looks like a hardcore loyalist of the party, has now quit. He takes off that message. He first puts out a post saying he's not going to quit any other party. He's very much with the BJP. He will stay loyal to the party, but then takes off that message very promptly. Now raising a lot of speculation if he has got an invitation from the TMC.
Well, definitely it is his personal decision, no doubt about it. But so far as TMC concerned, we are not aware that whether he wants to join TMC or whether he wants to join any other party. That's of course his personal decision. But I would like to say that BJP in West Bengal is a divided house, and he was not allowed to work. He was very disappointed from the last few months. I would rather say from the last 1 or 2 years, that he was not given proper space to work, and he had expressed his grievances before the High Command of BJP earlier also. He met Mr. Amit Shah and Mr. JP Nadda also, and expressed his dissatisfaction with the way BJP in West Bengal was functioning. And I don't know that, but whatever we know, that he had a lot of difference with the party here in Bengal. And not only that, in all India level also, since he was dropped from the Union Council of Ministers, he had no scope to work. That is his personal feeling. And ultimately, you see, mainly the pandemic issue throughout India, he was not happy with that also. Because you see, the pandemic issue, the central government has failed miserably to handle this particular issue.
Well, he's an MP there. He's a Lok Sabha MP. He could have done it himself. His anger should be directed to possibly the West Bengal government either. They've not done a very impressive job either. when it comes to the pandemic?
No. West Bengal government did whatever is possible. Whatever is
And
possible.
how
But
did
if the
Mr.
West Bengal
Biswajit
does
come
not,
to know
if the
about
West
the,
Bengal government does not get the
COVID
required
pandemic
number of
aside,
vaccines,
Biswajit,
if the West Bengal
Biswajit,
government,
but COVID
if the
pandemic
government,
aside,
if the
I mean,
government
this is,
of West Bengal
let's not-
doesn't reach,
we know
does
this
not get
is-
the required number of vaccines.
Let me get
from
down
the
to
center.
the topic
What
specifically
West
about
Bengal
Babul
government can
Supriyo
do.
resigning here. Biswajit,
The
let's
government
keep
of
the
West
pandemic
Bengal, the
aside for a
government
moment.
the
We
government
know
of
you're
West
using
Bengal
this
has
opportunity to
deprived- has been
criticize.
deprived
You
with
can
the
do it
number
on
of
another
doses.
occasion for another
With the
topic,
number
but for
of
now,
doses.
Babul Supriyo resigning, give us a perspective here. What kind of differences did he have? We hear that he wasn't getting along with Dilip Ghosh. Would you know anything of it? In fact, now you have Suvendu Adhikari, who is almost the face of West Bengal. Did he feel sidelined as a TMC member?
We are not supposed to.
Go on.
We are not supposed to
question
know
is-
the very internal matters of the Bharatiya Janata Party. But what we have come to know, what we are seeing since the last few months, that he is having quite a lot of differences with the state unit of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And he was extremely dissatisfied with the way the party is running and the way the party is functioning. And since then, he was not at all happy with the leaders of BJP in West Bengal, and neither he was happy with the national leaders. And that is why, in spite of expressing all his grievances was not taken proper care of. And ultimately he decided to quit. A man like him, who is basically from a different, I would like to say he has come from the tinsel town, and he was not allowed to work properly. He was not given the scope to work.
Well,
wanted
Priyanka,
to
he was
work,
not
but he was
allowed
not
to
given
work
the scope to
properly. He
work.
was not satisfied.
Obviously-
He was not
obviously when a
able
person-
to find a place for himself. Suvendu Adhikari has come in. That's my question to you. Suvendu Adhikari is now almost the face of West Bengal. Several of the senior leaders who've been there really made way for the BJP in West Bengal now feel sidelined. That's the allegation.
No, it's not true. It's not true at all. But yes, of course, when Mr. Dev is saying that he was not allowed to work, that number of times Babul Supriyo on his posts have written that in Asansol there has been a lot of hindrances by the ruling state government over here.
Right.
And how he was stopped and not allowed to work for people by the government here. Now, you see, there is no kind of oppression or anything as such. See, he was always respected. He is respected in the party. You will have to understand this, that when he came into politics, he came from the world of music. He was respected. His talent was considered, and that's the reason he was given a ticket twice.
All
Because
right.
he didn't come into politics by any kind of inheritance or by legacy, like it generally happens in Trinamool. So he deserved, and that is why he got a ticket twice,
Yeah,
and he
well,
proved himself correct, and he won the elections also. But now, there is an individual feeling that if he wants to quit and wants to have time for himself, we should all respect that decision.
All right. We take your word on that, Priyanka. Biswajit, thank you very much for joining us.